Do you feel like your energy isn't quite what it used to be? Or maybe you've noticed changes in your motivation, mood, or even libido over the years. If you're over 60, these changes could be tied to your testosterone levels. In this video, we're going to break down what really happens to testosterone as we age. And more importantly, we'll explore practical strategies to help you regain vitality and well-being. My goal here is simple: to equip you with the knowledge you need to handle these changes confidently and to stay active and healthy. If you're ready to see how small actions can bring big changes to your quality of life, join me. Let's learn together what you can do right now to live each day with more strength and health. Testosterone. Maybe you've heard about it, but do you really understand the impact this hormone has on your life? More than just a male hormone, testosterone is essential for balancing energy, mood, and libido. It supports our ability to maintain muscle strength, mental focus, and daily drive. In other words, it powers the vitality we feel each day. So why is understanding testosterone so important? Knowing how this hormone functions in our body, especially after 60, helps us make informed choices about our health and self-care. This awareness allows us to recognize signs of low testosterone, leading to decisions that can truly improve our well-being and quality of life. In short, testosterone acts as the engine that sustains our vitality. It doesn't just support our energy and libido, it also contributes to our physical and emotional health. Understanding its role opens the doors to a life with greater quality and vitality. Because after all, who doesn't want to age with energy and a sense of well-being? As the years go by, a man's body naturally goes through changes, and one of these is the gradual drop in testosterone levels. From the age of 30, these levels start to slowly decrease, and by 60, many men notice the signs of this decline. It can show up in different ways: lower energy, loss of muscle mass, mood shifts, and a drop in libido. These changes come with aging, but they don't have to be an unavoidable burden. It's important to remember that each man goes through this process in his own way. Some feel only slight changes, while others experience more noticeable symptoms. But this doesn't mean everyone is destined to face the full effects of low testosterone. How the body responds depends on various factors like diet, exercise, sleep, and stress management. These factors give us a certain amount of control in managing these shifts. Understanding this process is essential to distinguish what's natural from what can be improved. And more than that, by knowing how aging affects testosterone, we can take steps to maintain our vitality. With a few lifestyle adjustments, it's possible to age with balance and energy, making the most of every stage of life. When testosterone levels drop, the effects go beyond libido. They impact both physical and mental health. Physically, lower testosterone can lead to a loss of muscle strength and even reduced bone density, raising the risk of falls and fractures, especially at a stage in life where maintaining mobility is crucial. Keeping this hormone at healthy levels helps preserve muscle mass and independence, which is essential for staying active. Mentally, the impact of low testosterone is just as significant. Men with reduced levels of this hormone may experience mood changes like irritability, lack of motivation, and even symptoms of depression. These shifts can directly affect self-esteem and overall quality of life. But it's essential to remember, these symptoms are common, and with the right care, they can be well managed. Recognizing these signs is the first step toward finding emotional. When we talk about sexuality, libido is one of the most affected areas. Many men with low testosterone notice a decrease in sexual desire, but this doesn't have to be a taboo subject. Libido can vary throughout life, and there are healthy, open ways to address these changes. By understanding the impacts of low testosterone, we can approach each area with calm and practicality, always aiming to promote well-being and a balanced life. When we talk about testosterone, a lot of myths tend to come up, especially around men's health after 60. One of the most common is the idea that testosterone is just for younger men. In reality, this hormone is vital at every stage of life. Although levels are indeed higher during youth, testosterone remains crucial in later years as well. Older men can, and absolutely should, care for their hormone levels to keep energy and vitality high. Another widely held myth is that hormone replacement therapy is dangerous for everyone. While it's true that hormone replacement therapy isn't right for everyone and should be evaluated carefully, for some men, it can be a safe and effective way to handle the more severe symptoms of low testosterone. With proper medical supervision, replacement therapy can restore energy and well-being. But this decision must always be well-informed and tailored to each individual. Finally, there's the myth that there's nothing you can do to keep hormone levels up as you age. This kind of thinking is limited. In reality, there are many natural ways to support testosterone levels, like maintaining a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management. With the right choices and a few simple adjustments, it's possible to keep hormone levels steady, promoting better health and a higher quality of life over the years. Let's talk about some simple practices that can help keep testosterone levels balanced naturally. Nutrition is one of the first steps. Including proteins, nuts, and dark leafy vegetables in your diet can support natural testosterone production. Nutrients like zinc and magnesium found in lean meats and spinach are essential for hormonal balance. Small changes in your diet, when made consistently, bring big benefits for your well-being and energy levels. In addition to nutrition, physical exercise is essential. Resistance exercises like strength training are particularly effective for stimulating testosterone and preserving muscle mass. But don't worry, you don't need to hit the heavy gym workouts. Light, regular exercises like walking and moderate resistance activities already bring significant results and can be done comfortably at home. Another key factor is quality sleep. Good rest is crucial for hormonal balance. During sleep, the body recovers and naturally regulates testosterone levels. So prioritizing sleep and creating a consistent routine like sleeping in a dark room and keeping regular hours can make all the difference for your physical and emotional health. Simple changes in sleep habits directly improve your energy and well-being. Let's talk now about hormone replacement therapy, HRT, an option many men consider when dealing with more intense symptoms of low testosterone. For some, HRT can offer significant benefits like increased energy, improved libido, and even greater mood stability. With medical supervision, it becomes a valuable tool to help restore vitality and enhance quality of life. On the other hand, HRT isn't suitable for everyone. Like any treatment, it carries potential side effects, including impacts on cardiovascular health and changes to the prostate. This is why the decision to start replacement therapy should always be made carefully and, of course, with the support of a specialized doctor. Assessing both the benefits and risks is essential to ensure this is the right choice for your needs. Choosing to start HRT is a very personal decision that needs to be well informed. Talking with a qualified professional will help you understand which tests and alternatives are best suited to your situation. In the end, the goal is always to promote health and well-being, finding the best way to age with balance, independence, and quality. To understand how these strategies work in real life, let's look at a few examples. John, for instance, at 65, noticed a drop in his energy and mood. He decided to adjust his diet, adding more dark leafy greens and lean proteins. In just a few weeks, he felt a noticeable boost in his energy. With these small changes, John managed to regain his enthusiasm and face each day with more vitality. Then there's Charles, who, nearing 68, started noticing a loss of muscle mass. He began taking daily walks and gradually added lightweight exercises to his routine. Over time, Charles not only saw a physical strength improvement, but also a boost in self-esteem. For him, regular physical activity made all the difference in maintaining his testosterone levels and overall health. Another example is Robert, who at 70 was experiencing more intense symptoms of low testosterone, like lack of energy, low libido, and lack of motivation. After a thorough evaluation and with close medical guidance, he decided to start testosterone replacement therapy, TRT. Since then, Robert reports a marked improvement in his well-being with increased energy, motivation, and confidence. For him, TRT combined with healthy habits has been essential in restoring his quality of life. Finally, we have Peter, who suffered from years of insomnia and decided to make some lifestyle changes to improve his sleep quality. He adjusted his routine, turned off electronic devices before bed, and created a darker environment in his bedroom. Before long, Peter started sleeping better, feeling less irritable, and becoming more energetic. These stories show that with simple changes, and in some cases safe use of TRT, it's possible to achieve a much higher quality of life. Certainly, we can't overlook libido and sexual health after 60. As we age, it's normal for libido and sexual function to shift, but that doesn't mean we have to accept these changes without action. Testosterone plays a fundamental role in both sexual desire and erection health. With declining hormone levels after 60, some men may notice reduced libido and find it more challenging to maintain strong, lasting erections. However, there are many ways to address these issues, keeping sexual health both active and satisfying. Beyond testosterone, other factors like stress, sleep quality, and even diet can directly impact libido and erectile function. For instance, foods rich in zinc and magnesium, like nuts, eggs, and green vegetables, help nourish the body and support hormone production. Quality sleep is also essential, as deep sleep allows the body to restore and balance hormones, including testosterone. Relaxation practices like meditation and breathing exercises can further reduce stress and support sexual well-being. For some men, testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, as mentioned before, may be a viable option to restore libido and improve erectile function, though this decision should always be made with medical guidance. Additionally, there are natural treatments and pelvic floor exercises, such as Kegel exercises, that improve circulation and strengthen muscle tone in that area, providing extra support for erectile function. Keeping sexual health active is a choice, and with small changes and the right guidance, it's possible to enjoy this stage of life with more confidence and satisfaction. So as we've seen, testosterone is more than just a hormone. It's a real ally for anyone wanting to age with health and vitality. Throughout this video, we've explored practical strategies, like the importance of a balanced diet, incorporating physical exercise, quality sleep, and stress-reducing technique. Each of these changes, however small they may seem, can deeply impact your health and help maintain testosterone at healthy levels, bringing more energy and overall well-being. Remember, the journey to self-care is made of small steps. How about starting by applying one tip at a time? Maybe adding more vegetables and protein to your meals, or fitting a daily walk into your routine. These simple actions can truly make a difference, allowing you to see positive changes over time. With each improvement, you'll be nurturing both your body and your mind, living more fully and actively. And finally, if you found this content helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel to receive more tips on men's health and well-being after 60. Also, feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or if you'd like to share your own experience. Your participation helps build a supportive and engaged community.